Hi, welcome sa ating CSA Reviewer Part 1. How to answer common word problems. So before we proceed, let's have some tips first. Kasi word problems can be a headache if you don't know the tricks. So the first one is focus tayo sa what is asked. O ano yung tinatanong. Kasi word problems can give you a lot of information and it might get you confused sometimes. But if you focus on what is asked, ano yung tinatanong, mas clear kung ano yung isasagot natin kasi alam natin kung ano yung hinahanap. Next, para mas madali nating sagutan, let's have visualization through illustrations or tables, which I'll be showing you this time. So let's move on. All right. So let's have okay, a word problem about row of objects. So this is quite common. An object is in the position from either end. How many objects are there? So let's have, for example, so sabi dito, an object is in the position. So let's have the fourth. Let's have the fourth position. An object is in the fourth position from either end. So when we say either end, sa magkabila ang dulo. So let's have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. So since our object is in the fourth, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. So nandito siya. So how many objects are there? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 7 objects. And this method is quite time consuming. So what you can do instead is, okay, so we have position times 2 minus 1. So in this case, the position is 4 times 2 is equals to 8, and 8 minus 1 is equals to 7. So same lang din yung answer, and mas madali lang if ito yung gagawin nyo. Hooray! Okay, so let's move on to the next problem. Okay, who are the twins? This is a very common problem also. Sino yung kambal sa magkakapatid? Okay, so A, B, C, and D are siblings. Who are the twins? So again, let's focus kung ano yung hinahanap, sino yung kambal. And to answer this type of problem, what I usually do is i-illustrate ako. So for example, gagawa ako ng arrow. Arrow up to down. Arrow up means old or mas matanda. And lower in the arrow means young or mas bata. Okay, so let's have our given. B is older than A. B is matanda kay A. A is younger than D. Mas bata si A kaysa kay D. Mas matanda si D. E is younger than A. So E is mas bata kay A. So therefore, the twins amongst the siblings is B and D. Easy. Yay! Okay, let's move on to the next problem. A, B, and C are neighbors. They have a house, a car, and a car. A owns a yellow house, B owns a white car, and blah 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 blah. So this problem is easier if gagawa tayo ng table. So let's have neighbor A, neighbor B, neighbor C. And then we have a car, a house. So let's have the house. And we have the car. Okay. A owns the yellow house. The yellow house. Oy. A owns the yellow house. So therefore, A is yellow. So therefore, X na tong yellow house dito. Next, B owns a white car. B owns the white car. So, matik, X na si white car dito. Next, the greenhouse and the black car is not of C. So, hindi raw kay C yung greenhouse at black car. So, automatic, yung greenhouse is kay B. So, ang natira is blue. So, kay C yung blue house. And then, the black car is not of C. So therefore, the black car is kay yellow. So, X is si black. Ang natira is si pink. So, therefore, A owns the yellow house and the black car, while B, the green house and the white car. C, the blue house and the pink car. So, ganun lang yun. Just draw. Mas madali lang if i-illustrate. If you like this video, please like or follow, subscribe, whatever, and comment kung ano mga problems ang gusto nyo gawa natin ng tutorial. See you!